I transfer all the peaches that container into that bag and I squish it to fit in. Now I'm going to pour in the very, 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 very hot liquid in the center here. Okay, don't burn yourself. You're going to attach this back together using these clips here. Okay, and one, two, 1, 2. Make it super boiled. Super boiled is very dangerous, so be careful. This is super hot now, but it's not boiling yet. Bring that to a boil, and it's very dangerous because it's super heated. Okay, a bit more. Okay, then you're going to pour that inside this center. Okay, I push the center, I put the clip, and I'm ready for the hot sugar water. Okay, it's boiling. Okay, make sure there's no overflow. Okay, I'm going to transfer that directly. I'm ready. That's 2 liters of water and 2 bags of sugar. So I put the clip before because I kind of figured that the level will not let me touch the bag for a little while. So you let this cool down, and tonight when it reaches just like lukewarm, then you spread the yeast on top. Oh, did I do something bad? It's lifting. Okay. I thought I hear a crack or something. Well, there's no leak in the way. Okay. Very good. Peaches, Niagara, Concord, Woolville,